Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on your backpack. First, let's tackle some common, easy fixes. Often, a zipper gets stuck because a small piece of fabric is caught in its teeth. Carefully remove any obstructions. You can also try lubricating the zipper with a graphite pencil or a crayon. This helps the slider move more smoothly. Gently work the slider back and forth a few times to see if it frees up. These simple steps can often resolve minor issues in just a few moments. Next, let's address misaligned zipper teeth, a common cause of a stubborn zipper. If you notice any bent or crooked teeth, carefully use a pair of needle-nose pliers to gently straighten them. Work slowly and precisely to avoid damaging the teeth further. The goal is to ensure all the teeth are perfectly straight and can interlock smoothly. After realigning, apply a small amount of lubricant, like a bar of soap or a pencil, to help the slider glide effortlessly over the newly straightened teeth. Sometimes the problem isn't the teeth but the slider itself. If your zipper slider is broken or missing, you'll need to replace it. First, carefully remove the old slider. You might need to pry it open with pliers or cut it off. Then, measure the width of your zipper teeth to find a new slider of the correct size. You can usually attach the new slider from the top of the zipper, or by carefully opening the bottom stop, and then crimping it back into place once the slider is on. This can give your backpack one new life. Finally, there are times when a DIY fix might not be enough. If the zipper tape is torn, many teeth are missing, or the damage is extensive, it might be time to consider professional help. A complete zipper replacement can be a complex and time-consuming task, often requiring specialized tools and sewing skills. Weigh the sentimental or monetary value of your backpack against the potential cost of a professional repair. Sometimes, investing in a new backpack is the most practical solution, but often, a simple fix can save your favorite gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.